So in this video, we're going to go over how to import content into an elementary course from Commons. So here I'm on my dashboard. In the elementary version, I believe it says home or subject. And there's two ways to do this. You can go straight to Commons here on the left side, or you can open the course and choose to import Commons in there. I prefer just to click on this button here and go to Commons. And once I'm in Commons, you should see over 200,000 results, but that's from everywhere. So I just want to narrow this down. So in the search, I can type in Nevada Department of Education, but let me show you the filter over here to the right first. If I click on the filter, I can filter out by courses, modules, quizzes. I can do templates. I can choose by grade level, especially if you're out there looking for resources everywhere. So if you're looking at all public resources, then you might want to search by grade level, since we don't have a lot within the state of Nevada. Or you can do the Nevada State Consortium, which is all schools within the state, or your own district as people start sharing. I'm going to go ahead and just close those results, and I'm just going to type in Nevada Department. You have to type in the whole word department to get these to show. But there's 59 resources here. As you go through here, it's mostly secondary, but I did put up two short little examples. These are the templates. I'm going to show you that later. But I did put in here, if I click load more results, I put in a 4th grade that has one module completed. These are our writers who are currently writing. So this is 4th grade semester 1 reading. So if I click on it just to preview it, let it preview. Right now, there's 5 modules, 8 assignments. You can see everything here, and you can actually look at it. So here's the instructor module. There's the welcome to class, and these are things that you would edit once you download this course. Right now, we only have one module complete, and then you can see this is all those template pages that writer is using. So you could actually click on these, and you can preview to see what they look like, and click the next button and preview everything that's going on here. Again, this is the 4th grade reading example. Okay. Or we can just go ahead and import it. So when you decide, like, yeah, I want to import this course, you would click Import and then choose that Commons course. So this is where I'm going to have another video showing you how to create your own sandboxes again, like we demonstrated last week. But I'm going to go ahead and choose this, and because I know it's my elementary Commons example, and I'm going to go ahead and import the course. Now, while that's importing, we can obviously go back to search here or click here and go back to Nevada Department of Education. And you can see I have another example here, which is, while that's importing, there's another NDE one. Load more results. Oh, I haven't shared it yet. Okay, so there's a social studies one that I shared. That's 3rd grade social studies that you can also look at, just to kind of give yourself an example. Even if you're 1st grade or kinder or 2nd or 5th grade, download one of this example here, and I will also put up the other example. So as you can see down here, I did add that other choice. So there's a 3rd grade example for social studies, and then we already demonstrated that 4th grade. But we can quickly also look at this social studies. We haven't imported it anywhere yet. So we can look at it just like we did the other one, and this one just has one module completed. And then you can see there's the template pages that writer is working on. But you can see what that person has been creating in this course. And again, these are things that you can download and you can edit. You can use as it is, add to it, and make it your own. So there are 2 great examples up there for any K1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to download into your Commons sandbox so that you can just see what they're kind of like and get an idea of how a good course is written and use those examples. So that's how you import from Commons to an elementary template. If I go back to for you guys, it will be different. It'll say home or subject. I believe it looks like a house. It's a little different. Elementary has a different look. Here we are back on the home or dashboard, and you can see that's what I just downloaded from that elementary example from Commons. You probably want to click on here and change this name just like I did for this secondary course. So just choose the course card, click up on the upper left to manage subject, all the way down in the menu to settings. It actually went to settings, sorry about that. And then into here, you could just change this and say original or master course, original. And this is, I believe, reading. And I believe it's 3rd grade, if I remember right. And then I'm just going to copy this, paste it in here. If you want to change this image, you can by just clicking on it and choose image. You can go upload any image you want. So if I went to my downloads and I wanted to download a different image, here's even the social stuff, like a different image, I would just do that. Your images, though, have to be 262 by 147 pixels. So those of you who know how to use Canva or within Google Slides, you can edit these. Or you can go out and find an image of your own. Let's say I want to change that image, I could absolutely do it. It doesn't match the color scheme, but I'm just showing that you can do that and make it your own. I'm going to go ahead and just go back and put the original image that I have. Okay, so let's just go back to that image. So again, whatever you want to put there, you can do. And then just make sure you come down to the bottom and click Update Course Details. And it will update that. And once you go back to your home, you will see the new course listed. So you can see now it's been renamed. A couple things you can do here is you can click on these 3 dots and you can change that color if you want to be blue, purple, red, and it just makes the color here change. And you will not publish these because these are original courses. So that's how you're going to distinguish. Remember we talked about sandboxes and anything, if you call it a master course or an original, or if you're just going to keep it called a sandbox, those should always stay unpublished. The only thing that becomes published is those kid courses that actually have, social studies, and then your district has a number, like a 4 or 5 digit number, and then your name. So we identified those last week, what those courses are, and they also have kids in them. So if you looked at the courses that are listed currently with the 23-24 school year, you'll see your kids in there. If you, for next year, again, it will show the kids already enrolled. You will never enroll kids in these type of courses because these course shells here are for you to create and in. So the other thing you can always do is you can create yourself some more sandboxes or master courses or original course shells that you can keep creating in. So you just click Start a New Course and associate it with your school. So if I was, sorry guys, I see everybody. If I say Pioche, and then I give the name of that, and maybe I want to call it my master course, whatever you guys want to name it. Use the same naming convention, original, master, or sandbox, whatever you want to name it. And then call this your science, or you can call it 4th grade science. And that's it. The only reason I put my last name is so that I could see those. And then you have another course. And if you go back to your home page, so I'm back on this dashboard, and you can see that course I just created, and I named it. And then obviously you can open it, you can put an image there, whatever you want to do, change the color to a different color. And that is the end of this video on how to import content from Commons into a sandbox or a course shell that you created.